Hi everyone, welcome to Asante Yoga. I'm Anastasia. In this video, I'll show you how to get into the crow's pose, or Kakasana as we call it in yoga. So let's do it. To warm up for the pose, I suggest you do 3 prep poses. 1, chaturanga. Standing on your hands and feet, shoulder distance apart, elbows pointing back, shoulders on top of your wrists. On the exhale, going down. Inhale, coming up. Engage your core. Exhale, down. And I suggest you do this a couple of times, maybe 3. We're working on the strength of the arms and the core. And exhale, coming out of the pose. 2, knees to nose. Same position, the plank pose. Bend your knee. On the inhale, knee comes to the nose. On the exhale, bring the leg up in the air. Again, working on the core, on the strength of your arms, and also opening your hips. And the other way. Inhale, exhale. Maybe about 2 times each side. And exhale, down. And the third pose is the Yogi Squat. Sitting on the balls of your feet, opening your knees, bring your hands in front of your chest, and pushing your way with your elbows, opening the hips, and feel free to add some movement. We're opening and stretching the hip muscles. Just a couple of times. And there you go. You're ready for the crow's pose. Open your fingers wide. Bring your palms on your mat in front of you. Again, shoulder distance apart. Elbows pointing back. Very important not to open them, but to point back. Stand on your toes. Bring your pelvis up and come a little bit closer. Now bend your elbows, and you're going to put your knee on the spot between your elbow and your shoulder, somewhere here. So you guys try which spot feels right. So inhaling, bringing your pelvis up, and exhaling, lean forward. Engage your core, chest up, and bring one foot up in the air and down, and then the other one up and down. So practice this a couple of times up until you build the strength. And exhale down. And when you're ready, you'll be able to go into the pose. Inhaling, coming up. Exhaling, looking forward, leaning forward. Fly your crow. And exhaling all the way down. And that is it. Thanks for watching.